How to turn incognito mode on or off on YouTube. Firstly, open App Store or Play Store on your device. Go to the search bar on the top and type in YouTube. Now look for any kind of updates that may be available for YouTube. If there are updates available, update it, or else open the app on your device. Once you open the app on your device, at the bottom, go to U tab. Now this will show your profile. Now here at the top you will see a small panel. If you swipe on that panel, you will see turn on incognito mode. Click on that and your incognito mode will get turned on. Anything you search right here will stay hidden. That means once you are done running the incognito mode, you don't need to delete the history. If you want to turn off incognito mode at any moment, you can do that with very simple steps. Go to U tab again and click on turn off incognito. This will bring you back to the normal YouTube. If you want to switch again, then you can simply follow the process again. So that's all for today. Thank you.